Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter. Replacing your cabin air filter is a simple maintenance task that improves air quality inside your vehicle. You will need a new filter, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your Dodge Grand Caravan is parked on a level surface with the engine off. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and quick. To begin, open your glove box and carefully remove all items. On the right side, you'll find a small dampener arm. Gently detach it by pulling it straight off its pin. Next, press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the stops, allowing it to swing down further. This action reveals the cabin air filter housing, which is typically located behind the glove box. Once the glove box is out of the way, you will see the cabin air filter housing cover. There are usually two clips holding it in place. Unclip these and remove the cover. Carefully slide out the old filter, noting its orientation. Before inserting the new filter, ensure the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the vehicle. Slide the new filter in smoothly. After the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover and secure the two clips. Now, carefully lift the glove box and push in the sides to re-engage the stops. Don't forget to reattach the dampener arm on the right side. Close the glove box and you're all set. Your vehicle now has fresh, clean air. Check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals. Enjoy your improved air quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.